Hi everyone, this is Helen. Welcome to StatCrunch. In this video, we're going to learn how to interpret a hypothesis test called the one-sample t-test for the mean. We use the z-statistic when testing hypothesis for the means when the standard deviation of the population is known. When the standard deviation of the population is unknown, we test the null hypothesis using the t-statistic. Now, the standard deviation of the population is also known as sigma. Let's take a look at problem 6 of the homework. We learn an analyst collected data from 25 randomly selected transactions. The mean is $27.04, and the sample standard deviation is $13.46. The analyst wants to know if the mean purchase of all transactions is at least $22. Our null hypothesis is equal to $22. Our alternative hypothesis is more than $22. Our alternative hypothesis is one-sided. It is an upper tail test. Now we can find the value of the test statistic by performing a simple function in StatCrunch. We go to Stat, T-Stat, one sample with summary. Our sample mean is 27.04. Our sample standard deviation, 13.46. Our sample size is 25. Our hypothesis test for the mean, our null hypothesis, is 22. Our alternative hypothesis is more than 22. We click Compute down here in the lower right-hand corner, and we see that our t-statistic is 1.87. We also see that our p-value is 0.0367. Our alpha is 0.025 up here, and we see that our p-value is greater than our alpha. So we know that we cannot reject the null hypothesis. We do not have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Now, we were given summary statistics. We were given the sample mean and the sample standard deviation and the sample size, and we were also given raw data. If we were only given the raw data, here in the first column with the label VAR1 or variable 1, we could find the test statistic by going to Stat, T-Stat, one sample with data. Here we see our column labels. We select VAR1 or variable 1. That moves over to our right-hand column. We see hypothesis test for the mean. Again, we input 22. Our alternative hypothesis is also 22, is greater than 22. So we select greater than in the drop-down box, and we select Compute. And here we have the exact same response. Now, what if we wanted to calculate the confidence interval? We could go back through and perform the same function and make one change, or we can come here and click Options and Edit. Here the VAR1 is already in the right-hand side. We go down to confidence interval. We select confidence interval. We know alpha is 0.025. Alpha is 1 minus, confidence interval is 1 minus alpha, so 0.975. So we click Compute, and we see that our confidence interval is 20.61 is our lower limit, and our upper limit is 33.48. And we notice that our null hypothesis of 22 falls within that 20.61 and 33.48. So we know that we cannot reject our null hypothesis. So that's all there is to it. We hope you will reach out to your tutors if you have any questions at all, and we look forward to working with you.